This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. I said, who played the disclaimer? I wasn't even ready yet. Okay, we got to make some changes here. Gone. Who's this guy? Omnius, where are you? You're number 5. Gone. Perfect. Why am I not on? I set it up. I don't know why it's not there. There we go. Too much light. I'm blinded. Okay, even better. Now, the guy on the left farted. The guy on the right ain't having none of that. I have no idea what you're talking about. The things I do when I stay awake. What? That's not even possible. Hold on a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't even make sense. Well, I think there's an error with one of my accounts. I have a PA that's down $6, and it tells me my trailing remaining is $91. I hope that's not right. I hope that's not accurate. I mean, like, I know it's not right. What I hope is, I hope that it's not even what's, yeah, I hope it's not what it's thinking. I better take a screenshot of that. Trailing remaining, let's put that up over here. Good morning. There is no trailing remaining. What is that? Trailing. Hold on. Trailing max drawdown? Is that what it is then? What? Yeah, sorry. I was being asked, should we roll over? No, we're not even close to that yet. 225,000 contracts traded on September. December's only traded 3,000 so far, so yeah, not even close. Good luck to you if you roll over. No, I don't. It sounds like a fairy tale. I only know the three beds. That's I'm gonna huff and puff and blow your house down. The one, you know, this porridge is too hot, this porridge is too cold. Is that the same one? Yeah. So is the one I'm talking about. Yeah, no, I don't know that one. I don't know. I'm trying to get... Oh, boy, that would be fun. uh, uh, you know how much typing that is? Okay, I took my screenshot. Let me go save it. File. Save as. It's a distraction when you're trading. At least it is for me. Perfect. Close. Minimize. I think we're all good. Sure. Let's wing it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, I start off with the 30-minute. That's my go-to chart. In the mornings, we took out the Asia session high. We didn't take out the Asia session low. We are trading kind of near the London session lows. Wow. Is my chart screwed up? My chart is screwed up. Yeah. Okay. I don't know where we are in relation to the previous day's close because my chart screwed up. Looks like we're a little bit above it, and we're below VWAP if my charts are calculating correctly. So that's never for me a good area to trade into. Let's either get above VWAP or get under previous day's close at least. And I would think that's where we're going to be headed. Break previous day's close to the downside and target Asia session lows at 23,789. Let's move on to the 4-hour chart, Omnius. I'll throw... No problem. Let's take a look at some trend lines here. 4-hour chart's interesting. I like this trend line. I like this move up that it's making. Oh, yeah, it's the 4-hour chart. I I suppose. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. That's about it. I mean, if I'm going to look at the Renko charts, both of them right now are showing a short bias. So that's probably what I'll be looking for, but that can change quite rapidly. And I did see on the 4-hour chart a little bit of a shelf there at 23,900, so that could also be a target. But anyways, whatever the direction is, there's opportunities. Always to the long, to the short. I trade both sides. I'm a short-term scalper, so let's just see what the market does on the open. You're good at that. I can't do it. What you're gonna do right now? I guess I gotta just practice it one time and see what's happening. Okay, I think that's enough. There, we got that. We got that. And how about deal me in? How about that Nightbot plays deal me in? And I want to close this. So share. Where's share? I don't want share. Give me a second. My camera's gonna disappear. Save. Watch later. Okay. There we go. Everything's up to speed. Good morning, Skeletor. Let's get on to the 1 minute chart. We have 3 minutes before the open. Let me put back my indicator here. See, I don't know why everything was not working properly. What do I mean by that? I don't know why the previous day's closed and everything was so off. That's kind of crazy. That makes me worried. Doesn't give me confidence to take trades on this. There we go. Okay, it's fixed. On the 30 minute. Okay, what you see on the top chart, just to let you guys know, I didn't just take a trade. That's Sim 101, and it's running my new bot. Although I should kind of trade it because I really like this bot. Let me get MFFU up. Connections. MFFU. Ah, it puts in a stop. No kidding. How far away is the stop? Am I blocking any charts? No? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, the layout's not perfect. I think this one needs to be brought down a little bit. There you go, the 4-hour chart. Or forever hold your peace. Huh. Well, I like the 30-minute chart. I like to see where we shot up from. If I'm looking for support, and really 23,500 is the last significant level that we did something like that. And where did we shoot down from? 23,900 on the 5th also. So that 23,900, like I said before, it's a little bit of a shelf. I'd be watching that if we get up there. There's probably going to be a good fade trade up there, although I don't trade that way. But I'm not going to be taking longs into that level. So if I get a signal at 23,890, I'm going to let it go. Yeah. Well, it's also close to the previous day's high, so I already got a yellow line there. Let's watch the bot. I'm really curious to see. I worked on it last night. Markets are open. Yep. Yeah. I'd have to show you guys. Not now though. It's the open. It's the open. Yeah. As am I. That was a nice candle. Not one. Hey, you're going the wrong way. I know, I'm a permabull. Okay. Good morning, Ruin. So my short, that's weird. My long should not be long anymore. Okay, well, there's errors in the code already. That sucks. And it's such simple code again. Whatever it is, I gotta go look. I'm stubborn. Yeah, actually today I think maybe I'll take 5 minutes and I'll talk about how 2-minute opening range. I'll talk about how to use strategy builder to make a strategy as well. If I don't know, I think it's a little bit I think it's good to know how to use it. Well, there's a that's it. Yeah, but for the simple stuff, it's good to I think it's okay. You got to be kidding me. Long, stop, enter long. Okay, hold on. Enter short. Add. I didn't put an exit for the short, for the longs or the shorts order management. Just give me a sec, guys. No. Hold on. Ah, you're right. I had everything turned off. Holy shit. Yeah, well, lucky me. Okay, I guess you're the only one posting the recap today. It's a good thing I didn't post mine. Yeah, there was no volume on you. I closed everything off for yesterday's stream.
Ruin, I get treated like a redheaded stepchild.
Thank you, Ruin. I'm using it on YouTube.
Thank you, Ruin.
Yeah, thanks for letting me know.
There's so much stuff everywhere. You don't realize it until you start streaming. And of course, streaming with somebody else just throws more into the mix.
Yeah, and then like I said, because I was on your channel yesterday, I turned everything off on this. I was using this as the redirect screen. So everything was turned off, all the audios, everything. I didn't want people to hear audio on the stream.
WC, what's that mean?
Catch you later.
Will come.
Well, you're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Remove. If we're entering short, we want to exit long.
Yes, I'm kind of disappointed in you people. I spent all that time this morning to put that funny comment on your stream, and nobody even commented on it.
I did, in my brain.
Did you? I didn't see it.
You people. You peopled us.
I was looking at the picture. I was like, what are these guys saying?
It was funny. Oh my God, I was laughing on that one. I was saying, I don't know. I had to put it exit long, stop order, default quantity, strategy, current position size. Okay.
Whatever. We try to make it so people can get a good laugh in the morning. Can't make everybody laugh.
Well, now they're reading it. They have no idea what it's referring to.
Yeah, because now they can't see the picture.
And
oh well.
Order management. Exit short.
That's where I need a laugh track, but you ain't got me one yet.
I wrote it on my hand, but it got washed. it got washed off this morning. Strategy. Current position size. Okay. Compile. We're done. Just in time.
What are y'all trading? It's just going sideways. Y'all catching wicks or what?
Yeah, are you saving me from losing money? Maybe this error that I did in the coding. Okay. Shit. Strategies. Okay. Hopefully it'll do the right thing. It's already long 3, which is what it should be. You know what?
I feel like you're smushed in your screen.
7. What? On my stream?
Yeah, it's fine.
Smushed? I don't even know what kind of word is that.
Smushed.
Smushed. What do we got going here? We are long, and I do have a long at 42, targeting 49. Will I have time to get in on it at a better price? 42, targeting 49. There's 38. I'm in at 39, targeting 49, so I have 10 points. And my stop is at 28. So I'm targeting 10 with the stop of 11 points. 73% probability. Let's put in my sell limit. Sell limit. Only a 3 lot? Really? I thought it was going to be a 5 lot. Could you guys see this trade? No, you guys can't see this trade, eh? Let me change my account.
Joker, good morning.
There, now you can see the trade. Wow, I'm kind of fighting this descending, all these lower highs, eh? Let's see if we can break through there. I do have VWAP on my side. The highs are coming lower and lower on the 1 minute chart. The lows are staying stable at 830. That's about where my stop is, right? But I say at 828. Oh, and a chance. I'm in a long, yeah. I'm going to add a little bit here. 828's my stop.
Man, too many wicks for me.
Yep. I did a little bit of management there. Dropped my price down to 36.
Joker, what's your direction, long or short? We're still trying to decide. A lot of wick action going on.
Everything is telling me long, seriously. There we go.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking shorts.
Really?
If everybody's thinking long.
No, I'd say everybody's thinking long. Good morning, Joker. I'm just saying that everything is pointing long on my charts. That doesn't mean people are thinking long. That just means I have great indicators. Anyways, I'm out. I'm out of that trade. I didn't have too much confidence in it because it's taking too long. Short to go long. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking also. I really do think we're going to target the Asia lows at 790. I mean, I don't want that to affect how I take my trades. I hate having a bias. I think I'm going to change the name from bias to target. That's a better way maybe to frame it. If we're trading lower, that's a target. I'm not going to predict where I think we're going.
Where do you think we're going?
I don't know. Let the charts fall as they may. I just ride the wave. We're under VWAP. This is a terrible place to be, under VWAP in between previous days close. Look, what's on people's mind? Gap fill. We're 30 points away from a gap fill. So many people look at that, so that's got to give some pressure to the downside.
Somebody got me in trouble. I don't even know what happened. I'm short 14, but I have a stop for 3. That don't make sense.
Is that on yours? Because I'm on live chat. I don't see that.
No, it's on mine, yeah. The bots must be counteracting each other. But I'm out. It's not a big deal. And that was just the sim bot anyways. I gotta get out of it because my other one should be taking a trade soon. I can't be focused on that.
Bands, top step, coin flip.
This account's been doing really good.
22.36. That's good. I do sound like a quarterback when I call out numbers like that, eh? 22.36. I'm checking my stop.
22.46. Let's go.
Yeah, I pretty much calculated last night that I should never have a stop greater than 15 points.
One day I'm going to trade like that.
Actually, in this case, I'm looking at a stop of 40.75, so I'll let it go to there. Sparky, enough. I gave you like double cookies. Good morning, Ruan. Let me add to this trade. It's only a 2-lot. I just added to the short. Come on.
I think every trade you have to figure out your own stop on. I don't think you can. I mean, not every trade, but every strategy. That's more.
Yeah.
I don't think you can say, well, I got to fit it in a 14-point range, because then you're not giving the strategy what it needs. Choking it out.
Well, Sparky me out 3 times. What does it mean? That's wood chip short signal. 1 is long, 3 or more is short. Let's go, Sparks. Come on, make me proud. Show me you know how to call the markets. I don't want to get stopped out. I mean, who wants to get stopped out? But
All depends.
oh shit, 1 minute before 15-minute opening range. Okay, I'm stopped out. That's it for this account, I think. Down 147. I'm not putting more into this account.
I'm just not liking this price action. I don't know what y'all are looking at.
Yeah, on the 1 minute, it looks pretty crappy.
I think every candle's got like a large wick. Yeah, every single, on the 2 minute, every single one, and the 5 minute.
Yeah. Well, now most of the wicks are on the bottoms. Got overview up. What would we be targeting? I guess the obvious target is 23,900.
Not the high, but the
that shelf there, 888
yeah,
to 900
yeah.
in that area there.
Well, we do have the right here. What's that? 23,885.
Look how obvious it is on the 4-hour chart, though. It's crazy, eh? Let's put in a little line over there.
And first, we got to break this one.
Can you guys see that on my, let me bring it down a little bit. That's where I want to look for my short. Three times. I don't know what the theory is when something taps into something, into a level 3, 4, 5 times. I know my theory. My theory is stay away.
It's a good theory.
Because I don't have a theory. I don't have a theory, so my theory is to stay away. You would think logically, if you keep attacking it, you'd finally break through it. No, like the more kicks you give it a door, eventually it gives way. But,
well, I think it can go both ways. So maybe you keep attacking it and then you push in the direction, or you keep attacking it and you break through. Right now you have the large banks trying to gather a lot of positions. Do they want to go long? Do they want to go short?
every level gets broken. Yep. It's only a matter of when, though. That's the thing we need. That's what we need. We need the when. If we had that, we'd be trading as good as some other people. Okay, it's my Bulenox open. We're coming close to 950. You said there's news at 10.
Yeah, I think it's just like the quarterly job report or something. I don't showed it red, but I don't really think it's going to do much. Could be wrong. Been wrong before.
I'll get my
It's not really feeling this price action. I think I'm going to turn this bot off. Yeah, I'm not going to risk the account on this day. Turn the other one on.
What are the discounts at anything displayed on Apex or Bulenox? Or is daytraders.com still the best deal at $37 one-time fee?
Yeah, I definitely think that's the best deal. Regardless of what the others have.
I
mean, where else are you going to get a licensed Quant Tower?
At quanttower.com.
Yeah, for about 80 something dollars, and then you still have to pay for data fees, so you're pushing up to about $90 a month.
Yeah, wow.
Or you could pay 35 one time and get it every month.
Is it Quantower Lite or it's the full version?
It's supposed to be the full version.
That's crazy. I'm going to go get me an account. Oh, wait, I have one.
But you didn't select Quantower, did you?
No, I didn't. I took Project X. I'm a Project X fan. I'm a Top Step X Project X fan. Even though
we got Quantower.
Even though they say, "Oh my God, they're going to share data." Okay, I don't do anything stupid, so I'm not hedging one firm against another. I don't do any of that nonsense. I don't care if they share data. I think the only people that care if they share data is the people who are, as Apex says, scammers and schemers. You can share my data.
I think the regular Quantower is kind of like Ninja Trader. It's just like the basic version. Like I don't think you get VWAP. I don't think you get volume profile. Not sure. Probably don't get the footprint chart.
I'm sitting here saying to myself, I don't know what to do because I don't have a trade signal. Well, you don't have a trade signal, don't do anything. Don't always have to be doing anything, right? I'm doing something, I can sit on my hands.
You want to? Sit on your hands? I don't care.
Nice short, man.
Wonder if that would have been my entry. What I don't like about turning the bot off, I don't know where my entry was. Should have trusted the system, but on a day like this, just going sideways, I don't know if I want to risk it.
What did the 2 minute do?
That's what I'm talking about.
No, short right now, eh?
Yeah, mine just the one just went short.
I'll take it. You don't know if I'll take it?
Oh, there it went. Look at that.
Yeah, that's just a bunch of stops, though. Could go right back up now.
Oh, what happened to my stop?
You don't need it?
I guess not. It's like we're not getting out here. We're gonna keep going. All right, I might have to work on that.
14, go for 7 points, 19. Shit, I should have gotten that at like 10.
Why didn't you tell me to take a picture of it?
What is that? Of your stop?
Yeah, it sold for 15, it covered for 10, and left 5.
Yeah, I covered on that.
So
I covered, I missed my stop.
Didn't exit. I don't know why.
I went for about a half an ATR there with an ATR stop of 15 points, so I missed it the first time around.
So once again, the system worked great. I wasn't willing to risk it on this day.
I thought it was automated.
Got 8 point. Yeah, I turned it off. I said that. So I'm turning the bot off. I'm not going to risk it on this day going sideways.
I should really listen when you talk.
Although it's only had 2 losses in the past 90 days, and they were both on the same day.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 824. Get a close above the 824. You want to hear the crazy thing? The bot that I coded, it's trading the 5-second chart.
I got to make a note to keep an eye on my stop losses.
See, he doesn't listen to me either.
Listen
what did I say?
What I wanted to say to you, I just saw on this piece of paper right there. I don't know if you can read it, but it says, "Go Patrick yourself."
I can't read it. I can't read it. If I can't read it, then we don't know what it really says.
Go Patrick yourself, mother wood chipper.
He tells me he listens to what I say.
I never said that.
15-minute retest. Nothing there for me.
Why would I lie like that?
I have no idea. The 15-minute retest. That's not for me. The way the charts are showing, the way the charts are displaying, I need to see a full candle get below the 15-minute opening range. We didn't get that. So for every candle is on both sides of the 15-minute range.
Are you talking about your strategy?
I'm talking about the 15-minute retest. No, my strategy, I was saying, trades the 5-second chart.
Oh, this is the retest here, yeah?
Yeah, but not
Sell
for
it?
me yet. No,
Not for you?
no. I didn't get a full candle under the opening range, so I'm still waiting. A full candle, no high, no low,
Oh, man.
going on both sides. It's got to be a full candle on the opposite side and then come back to it. It's got to break out. That's how it shows that price is holding. I'm watching it. Still need we still need this candle to close and then another one without crossing back in. I have not taken a lot of trades today yet.
It's a good thing.
Maybe. Not sure yet.
Unless you're reversion to the mean trading or something.
I'll open up the 1-minute chart so you guys will see what I'm talking about. This candle here. If this candle can stay for the next 30 seconds without crossing back into the opening range, the 15-minute opening range, marked by, let me get rid of my cursor here, marked by this blue line. Then we have a full candle, a high, low, outside the opening range. That gives me my go-ahead to do a 15-minute opening range retest trade. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. There you go. Now I can put a order in and sell ask. Okay, there you go. You see my trade. Now, can you see the Renkos? Yes. So what I'll do is I'll add, if I don't get stopped out and then I get a bearish Renko, I'll add to the trade.
What are you talking about?
Oh, I took the 15-minute retest on the 1 minute. He's making me repeat myself. I took the 15-minute retest. If I don't get stopped out and I get a bearish Renko bar, then I'll add to my trade.
That's an odd way to start a conversation. He's making me repeat myself.
I wasn't starting. You did with your question. Fuck off. You're going to take me out on this one. I shouldn't be trading today, maybe. Okay, that trade didn't work. Oh, looky.
Yeah, you see the opens right below it, right?
I see. Yep. We bounced off the open and my strat went long.
Yeah, you got the close. The close, yeah, right there.
Yeah, I see.
Sold into the
white dash line. No, I sold at 23,815. That's 20 points away. I was only going for 10. I had range. I had distance. It was good. All good.
I don't see. Oh, okay. I guess.
I sold at like 817, 815, somewhere there.
Yeah, I'm looking at the bottom of the candle still.
And we never touched it.
Open range low. Lots of volume here.
Well, yeah, that was just a reaction of VWAP. Well, I always said trading between VWAP and previous day's close when they're tight like that, it's very difficult trading. There's a lot of direction changes. There's a lot of flip-flopping till the market makes the real move. And I still have contradictions. I have longs, I have shorts. Some screens telling me long, some screens telling me short. Maybe I'll just sit out a little bit. Wait till I see something clearer.
Yeah, we gotta get a direction or something. Everything's just bouncing back and forth.
Yeah. In other news, my son came back from Los Angeles yesterday.
Still leaning to the downside, though.
He wasn't impressed.
He wasn't compressed?
He wasn't impressed. He said it was... no, not
maybe Los Angeles' best days are behind him.
Yeah, not a great place to go to.
I think it's like anywhere else. Depends on what area you go to.
Well, he was in a very nice area.
Really? We got a city not too far from us, and you hear some people say they hate it. It's the worst city in the world, and other people say they love it. It's the best city in the world.
Yeah.
And it really comes down to which side of the city you're on.
Well, they went 10 guys. They put in, I'm not joking, 30 grand, 3 grand each. So they were in a, pretty decent part of the city. And I don't know, maybe what they did wasn't fun. They went to Venice Beach. They went to visit a couple of the universities. They went to a university football game. I don't know which one. They went to a pro football game, NFL game.
So what was wrong?
They went to the clubs. What was wrong? Well, they went to the clubs. They said it was like $215 to get in.
The club?
Clubs, yeah. Party at night.
Guess you need a suit and a tie, huh?
And at least the club they went to, they said, the girls,
Oh, one of those clubs.
Nothing nice. They said every girl has a belly. Even the fit ones have little bellies on them. And they said the girls in Montreal are a lot hotter.
They went to the wrong club.
Maybe they needed to go to the club. That's $2,000 to get in, but that's out of their budget. Shit.
They charged them that much to get in and still had girls like that? What's going on? Is that news?
Yeah, 10 o'clock.
It's moving this much over that? Yeah, it's 30 points. It just looks like a lot because we ain't done nothing.
Yeah, that's it. That's what happens also when you come and you trade the evening session. Your chart goes from the top to the bottom. You think, wow, what a huge move. And you look and, wait a minute, that was only 8 points. The average range on the candles is like 1.5 points. The range is not bad now. It's 21 points on the 1 minute candles. There is range. It's just not going anywhere. It's just bouncing up and down. You are kidding me. You are kidding me. You are kidding. I'm going to get so angry.
Crazy how you look at the charts and you really can't tell the range that good. Maybe that's why people have those little lines on there I always take off. You got lines on yours, right? Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Yeah,
I wasn't listening.
You got lines on yours, the grid.
I hate the grid.
Take it off.
I'm a no grid trader. I don't know why I have a grid there. Yeah, I will take it off. Guys, close your eyes. I'm taking it off. Look the other way just for a moment. I'm undressing my chart.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe just horizontal instead of the vertical. You don't need the vertical. Or do you need the vertical? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, much cleaner. Don't need it. You know what? If ever you want to see where something is, you just put on your crosshairs.
I got crosshairs. You got crosshairs?
No, your what do you call it there? Your pointer. You turn it into a crosshair instead of just a pointer, and there you can. Oh, I hate crosshairs.
Why?
I just like the pointer.
How do you know what the price is?
Well, I don't really need to know.
I need to know.
Do you know how much information you don't need to know when you're a Renko trader? I'm sorry, Renko trading makes life easy.
Well, if I see a high, I want to know what price that high is at.
I'm sorry for you guys trading the minute charts, having to absorb all that information. That's why
information.
You're all going to lose your hair early, thinking too hard.
You got no hair. You can't lose it. Now you starting
Here.
to sound like Gemini wanting to get rid of my beard.
Here, hate on me. This is the chart of
What
my
chart?
here. Let me put it up. You want to see a cheat code? This is what's coded now for my new system. Talk about being told what the direction is, huh?
What?
Is that-
What are you talking about?
Ah, look at my that's my new chart. That's what my new coded system is. My new bot is running on off this chart. Look how it shows the direction of the move.
All I see is this thing flying across the top of the screen, making me dizzy.
I don't know what you're talking about. Top left, top right, I mean.
Yeah, I gotta remove that banner.
There's a banner? There's no banner. I'm looking. I don't know what banner you're seeing. Give me a headache.
Give me a headache. You know, some people get dizzy.
New strategy builder.
What are we looking at? You didn't explain anything.
No, I didn't. I just showed you.
Like I just lost 30 seconds of my life. I can't get it back.
You'll
Didn't even learn
never,
anything.
you'll never get it back. When it proves itself out, I'll give the exit short. Yes. Long stop point. Remove. Short stop point. Remove. Compile. Now it's still in testing, so there's no point in giving instructions and showing what I'm doing, but
We'll learn later.
it's a very solid way to show direction. How am I doing? I think I just traded one account, MFFU, so far. Right? No, didn't trade there. I don't have my browser open, so I'm not trading any of my, I'm not trading my wealth charts. I'm not trading my daytrader.com. I better go get to that account a little bit. That's a banned trade. I'll take a banned trade for a 3-lot. Just above previous day's close. Yeah, not crazy about it, but probably break lower. Oh, well, I missed it. There you go. There was 12 points. I tried to get in with a limit order. Maybe I should have gone in with a... with a market order. Oh. 93. Look at that. Well, I'm going to take it over here. There we go. Bugger. Bugger. I missed the band trade. It did good. Then I got a trade off my top step chart. And unfortunately for me, that was a loser.
My site keeps telling me, you got to confirm it's you. And then I got to put in my computer code, and I put it in, and it's like error.
2FA? Are you having a 2FA problem?
I mean, it's similar. It's stupid. I hate all these things. Life shouldn't be this difficult.
Mm. Bug off. Take a look at the 4-hour. We're bouncing off that.
So why do I have two different URLs to the stream? What do you think's up with that?
There are 3, actually.
So if I go to the studio and I click get shareable link, it gives me one.
Yep.
But then if I go to the stream and I get share, it gives me a different one.
Mm. Oh boy, I didn't even know about that. Then I can create 4 links for your stream. Oh shit!
Don't take you to the stream. What the hell? Well, that's weird. Get link. Let's try this one. Maybe I got it wrong.
Oh, there's no undo on them.
All right, do we have a direction yet? What we got?
No, I'm not looking.
We have a large order pushing us above a trend line break. We think. Try it. Large order's gonna get me in trouble, isn't it? Well, push.
What's the trend line break?
No, it's getting weak. All right, go break even. Choke it out.
Let me go to his. Do we
Oh,
see the
what?
trend line? That one. What's the time period on that chart where you drew that trend line?
2 minute.
Tori? Yeah, it's a 2 minute. Okay, I see what you're doing. So that's pretty much.
Tory?
No.
What?
No.
Go back and check that.
You can't. You can't.
Why?
Why you can't go back?
Yeah.
Didn't you set your stream so that you can't go back?
I can go back afterwards.
Maybe. To the top of your trend. Oh, it's gone. Trend lines. Oh no, that's my chart. There we go. Okay. I see.
I know. She's the best trend line trader in the whole entire world.
She draws clean trend lines. This is
I
very difficult.
I draw ugly ones.
It's a very difficult market for me to trade today. I can't get in rhythm with it. I sometimes liken the markets for me as like a bus driving by, and you got to kind of time it and jump at the right time so you can get into the open door. But right now I'm just getting splatted against the windshield every time I try. My timing is off.
Would like a pullback to the maybe the VWAP, jump in.
Nice.
Still looking for a long.
What?
I don't know. It might not come down. This is an ugly day. I mean, it's really just sideways.
It is.
Anybody trading this really should have took preparation. Lower your size. Don't copy trade as much.
Well, you know what? For now, I'll put my bot up. My bot's trading 3 lots. You guys can watch it in the top chart. I'll just take trades on the bottom left chart. That's where my trades will be. I will get a 30, 35 at 49. If we get up to 49, I will get a long entry, and I think I will take it. And I'll take it for a 5 lot. Okay, I just got in early. I think we're going there. Every time I get in early, I get slapped.
Anybody trading this? What y'all in? What you looking at?
Don't be negative.
Good trades, bad trades, ugly trades, pretty trades. Mike likes the pretty ones. I like the ugly ones.
That's an ugly one I'm in now. Come on, let's get up to 49. 49's the entry. I'll add it 49. And then we'll be targeting 56. We wait.
I don't go long. Talk me into it.
I'm going to sell, but I don't like it.
I'm going to sell, but don't like it. Yeah.
I'm in a long and I don't like it.
That's what I was about to say.
Maybe we should just close down the stream.
No, come on, guys. Lower your contract size.
Yeah, I'm in a 2-lot.
Everybody knows how to mitigate a difficult market. We talk about it all the time.
Like I said, I've only traded one account and I'm trading a 2-lot.
You have to know what type of market is for you. If you're a trend trader and you're just going sideways, you have to cut position in half.
Things aren't working out for me today, so.
They got little blue pills for that, don't they?
When things aren't. Fuck off. Fuck off.
That's a lot of selling right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Get out. See, the good thing is when we fade each other, Bama should be doing pretty good right now.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking to go short. Can I?
Still looking long.
I hope you're wrong.
If I get a green candle, I'm jumping back in. You want me to be wrong?
I hope you're wrong.
Just because you did, I'm going to draw a trend line. Ugly one. I'm going to challenge Tori to the battle of the trend line.
Hey. I took a reduced risk.
That's fine.
Yeah, reduced risk is good. I love reducing risk.
I'd call that a break even. I feel like you have to fill a loss.
Okay, let's see if we can get down to what number is that? 23,800? I'd like to see 23,800 and then start heading lower from there. Why don't we target the previous day's close again? 23,797, 23,800. That would be $100 trade with the 2-lot over here, and that would be kind of cool for me. Let's hold for that. See if we can reach it.
What are you holding? Close?
Yeah, targeting the previous day's close.
I can see that.
Yeah, we're below VWAP, and but then again, we are flip-flopping, so who knows? We got to get through the 15-minute opening range again because we're back inside it. So we got to get back outside it.
I feel like sooner or later we break this hourly trend line and just dump.
760 all the way down there, eh? Ah, Bama! Mike, are you awake? 2 in the morning? No, you just missed me. I went to bed around 1:30.
Who messaged you at 2 in the morning?
Bama. Bama did a record yesterday. He liked 46 of my TikTok videos in one shot. I thought it was an error. I go and logged on to TikTok, and you see a number beside activity, and it's saying 46 or 49. I go, what? No, there's no way. There's no 46 or 49. Is TikTok all screwed up? I go look, and Bama liked, Bama liked, Bama liked, Bama liked, Bama liked.
That's okay.
Yeah, cool. I returned the favor. It showed you online. You know what? Because when I was sleeping, I listened to, I guess you can call them bedtime stories, horror stories from a guy called Insomnia Rules. So, yeah, the phone is like beside me. I don't like putting the things in my ear. So, yeah, the phone is beside me. It was playing it. So, yeah, the phone was. But I wasn't looking at it. I was going to sleep. Actually, I think the last thing I did is I liked your videos, whatever time that was, and that was it. That's when I closed the phone down for... I didn't do as many as you. I'll do the rest. I said I'll do it in pieces. Come on, let's get down to 23,800. Let's get down to Bama's 23,760. But we're still trading inside the 15-minute opening range. We bounced off it, so not looking good for me. Probably going to touch VWAP again. Flip-flop over onto the other side.
I don't know if I got Bama on TikTok.
Looks like it's one of those...
Just Bama?
Ugly kind of days. No. Let him tell you. I don't want to just blurt it out if he wants to write it out.
You think it's a secret?
I don't know. People are sensitive sometimes.
Okay.
People are sensitive sometimes. There we go. Trader Nate.
Long again. Trader Nate. Wait, didn't I? I think I might have seen a Trader Nate on TikTok.
He says he follows you, so you should have it.
I have to go check in a minute. Shut up. Shut up. Trying to get me in trouble, Mike.
I wasn't saying anything.
No, not you, TikTok. You turn it on, it goes right to a video playing.
Come
God
on.
forbid they have music or something. What is it? Trader Nate? No, I don't see a Trader Nate.
Yeah, that's funny. I don't have it. I don't have that either. That's not what shows up on mine. Mm-hmm.
No, I don't see a Trader Nate. Now search. DR.
Hello, is my mic on?
TDR Nate. So this ain't you in the tuxedo? No, your mic's not on. You're muted. Oh, wait, this one. Follow back. So it says he is following me. Well, following you now, too. Sent a sticker. Sweet.
Okay, what are we looking at? Another long trade, eh?
No, I mean, I was hoping so. It just won't go.
No. I just went long under VWAP. Oh my God. It's one of those days.
We in the car, but we ain't got no gas. It's like all the guys jump in the car, right? Ready to go to Los Angeles for the weekend. Go to the club. We ain't got no gas. Got no gas money. We stopped at the gas station. It only takes cash, and we all got cards. we all converted our money into ones.
I
The
hate
gas station won't take ones.
I hate places that don't take that take cash only and don't take cards.
That would be my luck.
I get so frustrated with that. I go, really? Then they have that machine where you can take cash out, but the machine charges $3, and then your bank charges you $3 also. Really, I got to pay $6 just to pay you? You don't want to make it.
Ones I don't like are the ones you can't use cash. You got to use a card, and then they automatically put in like a 30% tip. And it's like, so I can't pay cash. I'm like, what the heck? Why'd it go from this number to this number? I was like, oh, that's 30% tip. Like, what?
Yeah, these places are getting aggressive with the tips now.
Yeah. You didn't even do anything. I got to give you a 30% tip because I allowed you to sell me a beer?
Yeah. It used to be 15. That was it. Then the machines got creative. 15, 18, 20. Now they hand you the machine and it starts off at 20.
Uh-huh. It's like, and then they put 20 is like bad service, right?
Yeah.
It's like disappointed. It's like 20% disappointed.
Why don't I just give you 100% tip?
25, it was okay. 30, it was decent. 30 plus, it was great.
Huh.
What? You literally grabbed me a beer out of the cooler and gave it to me. Then you'll start seeing them at all the convenience stores and stuff. You want to give your cashier a 30% tip?
Cashier. Okay, I guess that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I gotta take a break. Go refill my drink. Get up, stretch.
No, Sparky, no more cookies. I'm not going to buy you any more cookies if you keep bugging me all day long.
Sparky is trying to tell you the trade direction.
Hola. Hello, Butters.
Butters, good morning.
That's a new channel. I don't have any of my... Well, there we go. We got down to the 23,800. I just wasn't patient enough. Lousy. The day is going lousy.
Look at the chart, man. It's just sideways.
Yeah, and I'm fighting it.
30-point range?
I almost shorted right at the previous day's close again. I caught myself. I'm late on everything. Like I said, I'm getting splattered by the bus.
Like a little 50-point range, just sideways?
Sparky wants chocolates. Sparky wants anything that's in that he can chew on. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's one of those days, just kind of limit your trades.
Oh, well, nice. So now not only are we between VWAP and previous day's close, which we've been most of the day, we're also between the opening range, low, and previous day's close. We're sandwiched.
Mm-hmm. It bounce off of the open again.
10:30 initial balance. What's the range for the day? 860, 780, 80 points. Less than 80-point range for the entire day so far.
Mm-hmm.
Ouch.
If you go back and look at the whole day, it's just been bouncing off the open.
Yeah.
Now we're back at the open again, testing it. Probably bouncing off again.
Yeah, we had a couple also last night at 9 o'clock.
Then for the high, what is this high?
Okay, so I'm going to wait for a bounce off the open.
Looks like yesterday's open range high. We're basically going from the open to yesterday's open range high. If I can show this chart again. There we go. Yeah. You see it there? Just basically bouncing off of the open and yesterday's open range high.
Exit short. Enter long.
I feel like if I take the long, though, it'll stop me out. What I hate about range trading. Works great till I get in.
Wow, my brain's not there.
I get up stretched.
Yeah. Jumping jacks. Exit short, exit long, enter short, enter long, and you guys are the and it's not drawing the lines. I like the lines, but we'll save it like this for now. Are we going to bounce off the previous day's close again? Is my speaker on? No, we go through it. Okay. Let me set my let me set my bot to get back to work. One more. Give me one more. One more bar down below. Not too much to ask. There you go. And one more. No. Maybe. Buy limit down there. Push. Out. Out. Out and ouch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 792, 800. Now we got the initial balance retest trade. Interesting. I'll take a stab at that, even though I just got out for a 5 lot. 79. Let's see if we can get down to 69. 75, 73, 72. I was going to say I should take 72 because I did get in a little late, so 72 is good. Terrible price action for me. I hope it's working out better for you guys. If you look at the 4-hour chart, let me expand it. Again, I put in that little blue dash line there to see what we're bouncing off of, and it looks like, again, we are bouncing off of it. That was a nice dump. Showing some weakness. Okay, that one helped a little bit, reduce the loss. That's all I'm doing.
What'd you guys do, man? I was gone for 2 seconds.
Yep, market dumped. You dumped, the market dumped. It was dump time.
The power of the dump.
The power of the dump, yeah.
Good thing I didn't take that long off of the market open, huh?
Let's take a look. Oh, we easily took out the Asia session lows. Wasn't even paying attention to that. What's this line over here? Black. Oh, previous day's close. Should be white.
We don't really have much. This could just keep dumping.
Mm.
A few minor supports, but nothing really.
Yeah, well, we finally got below both VWAP and previous day's close, so where else can we head to? 23,500? 23,600? Or previous day's low, 23,650. Yep, another 100 points away. Well, Bama got his 23,760. Good job.
Sweet.
37. Mistake. Okay, I hear you. I hear you.
What do you do to separate the videos? Bring it in twice?
I don't know what you mean.
On the stream. From
Separate
Discord.
the videos. Oh, yeah, you bring it in twice. $37, targeting 30. Let's go. Let's target 30.
Still short?
Targeting 30. Targeting 30. Stop is 51. I hate putting it out in the universe. Every time I put it out in the universe what the stop is, it hears it and it runs for it. I gotta get out. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Okay, well, I did another reparation to my bot, whatever. Hopefully it'll be fixed now.
Reparation?
Yeah, a repair. Another error fix. I was getting errors on my orders, kind of like what you were talking about.
Yeah.
I adjusted the way it takes the orders. Let's see.
All better?
Well, we'll see. It doesn't take a lot of trades. It takes about 4 or 5 trades in a day. We'll see. I know last time I tried to take it, I couldn't even get out of my own trade because it blocked the. It's funny how it blocks your access to NinjaTrader when it gives you those order entry errors.
Yeah. Like, come on, man. At least get me out of the trade.
Where are we? Are we near anything? Any
I'm right
reason?
here.
Any reason to bounce over here?
You got some good music. Looks like a good bounce spot, huh?
It does.
Who's our bounce traders? Ask them.
Where's our bouncers?
Bama's a bouncer, isn't he? Doesn't he counter trend?
I have no idea.
He's always talking about selling the tops. If you flip it, wouldn't you buy the bottom?
Look at my face right now. Do I look happy?
Yeah. Look, if I invert my chart, I can see Bama shorting us. Hmm?
Let me look at the 30 minute
right
if there's
way.
anything. Yeah, it's
What?
true. There is a little bit of support right here at 720 from yesterday.
Yes, and I don't like this buy.
Quite a bit. Quite a
Nope,
bit.
he don't like it. If he don't like it, I don't like it.
Yeah, we did head down with some decent momentum.
But I will say that with this much strength down, you got to believe that it's gonna.
You gotta
A little bit
believe.
and then drop again. Well, I gotta believe.
You gotta believe.
Well, they say don't buy the first bounce, something like that.
You know, I'm not happy with my trading because in my head I'm singing the song by Cher, If I Could Turn Back Time.
I was trying to get in the short there, but
Yeah, I'm in a short, and this is for the first time like a legitimate trade that I should be in, and not an impulsive trying to figure out where the market's going. Chase trade, and you know what? I should just trade these good trades instead of always trying to force trades. I'm forcing trades again too much.
Is this a good trade?
It's a 73%er down to 37, sorry, which I think we didn't hit it yet.
Trying to wait for this candle to close, but God, it's taking so long. Falling asleep.
There we go.
It's moving against me.
That was a 73%er. Thank you very much.
Still don't have a lot of volume. All right, let's take it. All right, drop it like it's hot. Come on.
Yeah.
What happened? Come on. Drop it like it's hot.
What's that? Oh.
I'm not giving that a full stop.
Sparky, you're back for more cookies.
Delta's pushing up.
You're breaking my balls, Sparky. You're busting my nerves.
Choke out my stop. You gotta go. All right. Down another 5 points. Keep taking the small cuts.
Yeah, that's what it's been all day for me. Except when I take the trades that actually I'm supposed to take. Greed. I'm getting greedy today. I'm trying to make every move mine, and instead, every move made me look stupid.
It's all right. You mitigate risk and.
Well, yeah. I mean, I'm down 146. I'm trading one account, so it's not bad. I'm just, I just got a face on me like it smells in the room because I'm just not happy with what I'm doing.
Is it because of that comment I left this morning?
No. Let's get that image up. Everybody wants to see the new image, or even if you don't want to see it, you're going to see it. There we go.
On a delay.
Yeah, the new thumbnail for.
Oh. I put the guy on the left farted, and the guy on the right ain't having none of that shit. Oh no, you sniff your own farts over there, buddy. Ha ha. I hope it smells like bacon and beans. LOL. Come on, that's what that picture's saying. You see it in the picture. I'm just like, nah, dude, you smell over there. Futures floor's like, nah, that was you.
Tell me that image doesn't represent our stream.
Bama was at 150 and now I'm down 100. Could be worse. Yes, Bama, it could be worse. In the scheme of things, being down 100 is not that much.
Yeah, I had that talk again with my son. Just don't let the markets take away a lot from you. That's all. That's I'm going to say it again. That's the Holy Grail. It's related to not over leveraging. But even if you over leverage, take your stop at your PDLL and close it down. I'm not digging in. Yeah, no, not me. I'm not digging.
Me neither.
No. It's
there's no follow through on anything.
Yeah, it's.
So I will say down 100. I'd still consider that a red day. So if we could get a nice trade, and that's about what I'm down, and bring that back, that would be nice. But once again, like I've been saying all morning, should not be copy trading a lot of accounts. lower risk, mitigate risk. So.
One, two, three, four, five, six. Shit.
I think that was the best advice at what, 9:20 this morning. Inside day, look sideways again, mitigate risk. That and a comment about the guy on the left of the picture. Farted.
I heard it. Did you shake your head when you saw it the first time?
Yeah, I was like pointing at people's rude. And I was like, okay, well, I'll make a funny comment. Make us all feel better.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go.
What are we counting?
48. Stop at 48. So I'm looking for a long now with a stop at 48. Just trying to calculate a place where I can have a very small stop. Kind of looks like right here right now. Oh, broke through. Broke through. So let's try a short. I'm actually following the signals. If you look at my top chart, the main chart is the bot trading, the black chart, the one on the top right, the big one. And I just followed it along on my Renko chart over there. Took a trade. Each one is linked to different accounts. Let's see what we can squeeze out of this trade. It's kind of a little bit off balance, though. Like your 2-minute ORB, the stops are a little bit far away at times. They tighten up, but the stops in the beginning are far away. Well, hopefully we'll get a Renko bar to the downside.
I think people focus too much on the risk to reward. And I think you have think of it like a slider, right? The better the risk to reward, the more losses you're probably going to take. The worse it is, the more wins you're going to take. So you have to find somewhere on that slider that is consistent and that you can live with. I think a lot of people choose systems that only have a 50% win rate. And then when they hit 3-4 losses in a row, it hurts them. And then a lot of people choose the high win rate with the large drawdown, and they take 3 or 4 losses in a row and can't recover. So
we're going back for an initial balance retest.
like we're pushing back up.
Hey, JC. Good morning.
Hey, you know, JC might be your
might be Bama.
secret admirer.
You have anything for lunch today in the end? Did you work it out? Did you bring something? Did you go buy yourself something?
Nope, I guess it was JC. Nope, no secret admirer. JC, good morning.
I'm just going to have water. I left her lunch out on the counter last night. She woke up in the morning. Your lunch was on the counter all night. Obviously, you can't eat it. It's not good anymore. I feel terrible.
What?
Her lunch. She prepared her lunch, put it in the fridge.
And you put it on the counter?
I put it on the counter last night, and I left it there all night. I forgot to put it back in the fridge. He's sleeping in the shed tonight.
Hope you have a nice doghouse.
You know what? You should buy yourself something at a restaurant, I guess.
My advice to all newlyweds: build a nice doghouse. Yes, the dog wants a recliner and a TV and refrigerator and all that stuff.
No, my bot's not working. I don't know how that's possible. It's
Bama,
reading
did you catch this move?
something wrong.
Well, there should have been a sign. All that movement, there wasn't no sign. Got cheated. Large buy orders. 23, 797, 798.
Wow, yeah. We really pushed up strong to the previous day's close again. How are we doing today? Can we afford it? No, I'm down $262.
Entered at 760. Well, that was good. Should be back green then, right? Bama? Did reverse off of a minor support, but I'd never count on support like that for a reversal.
I do know what my problem is today, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll tell you what it is. It's very clear. I'm being predictive and not reactive. Like right now, I'm in a long trade. If you look at the Renkos, I'm not even waiting for it to turn blue. I'm predicting that it's going to turn blue. And being predictive, for me, is not good. I need to be reactive.
Bit late for the long trade, isn't it?
Not necessarily. Maybe. I'm going off something else. I can see us going back up to 98,800. No, gotta get out. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Okay, well, in that case, I guess I saved myself a little bit. I went into quite a bit of drawdown, managed it, took a small loss after it pushed through that area. I thought we'd see 685.
Almost kind of like to take a short here.
I guess today I'm
What's up,
ending
Bama?
red.
Yeah, it's looking that way. It's okay. Everybody needs a red day once in a while.
Once in a while, yeah.
Makes the calendar look, give it that Christmas theme.
Yeah. That's what OFT calls it. Christmas colors. The red and the green. We got the bearish momentum is a little bit stronger than the bullish momentum, but looks like we might get a crossover on the 1 minute chart. What do we got? So we're back inside the initial balance, but we're under previous day's close. Trading at 786, 50 points above the low of the U.S. session.
Am I wrong for wanting to short this?
I don't know. Yeah, you are, because I'm short. It's not been my day.
I guess. I mean, I feel like I got a decent case for it, but hasn't been my day either. So
I'm going to add to my trade if my bot goes short. I'm waiting for it. There we go.
The
just
only trade that would have won today, I turned off.
It just went short. Now let's see if I can try and add.
Oh, shit.
Seriously? At 11 o'clock? Don't you laugh. What just happened?
What was that?
I don't know.
It just spiked large volume, just spiked up out of nowhere.
I got out. Thankfully.
I think that was the exhaustion, though. I think now it can go short.
That was exactly at 11 o'clock.
I don't know.
Well, at least
Now
I
we're getting
survived
below
it.
that volume. I don't know. I think still wanting the short.
I think. You see, that's the thing. Yeah, look, there's a short. Nice. You had to do that and make me nervous about the trade. To hell with you. I'm going to get back in right here.
Look, this is trading. It's all about, I think.
Yeah. No, it's about following the plan. Having a plan, following the plan.
Find a good, I think, and take it.
Plan the trade, trade the plan. Don't think, don't hope. Really? After all that?
Oh, what? What happened?
Oh, I was short. And after all those, after all
You should
that,
still be short. What's wrong?
I covered.
We are at a pivot point.
It's pretty erratic, the movement right
I
now.
want to see it go.
The bot's doing good, though. The bot's the bot's catching good trades, man.
Do it. Do it. Drop it. Fine. I'll take it there for 12 points.
Good job. That's about what I think I got.
Got to be close. Could have been a little bit closer. Could have had a little bit longer. Okay. Looks better than it did. I still think it's going down. I don't like that I have a bias, though. I don't like bias.
I hate bias. Bias, I know already. Bias for me is my kryptonite. I no longer ever have a bias. And if I catch myself forming a bias, which is prediction, it's the same thing in my opinion.
Here's my reasoning for the short. Run over it real quick. Maybe I'll use this drawing tool. This one. We're below the bands, the red bands on the 2-minute chart. Pushed up. See here we have some resistance. We pushed above it. Take a bit of liquidity. Really take that off. And then we just had that large spike back up. Scary to hit the back button on this. So I was looking here. I think this is a great spot. Below the bands, background's red. Be looking for an exit around there. If I could hold that long. Probably can't. This was a spike up. Still think this is going to go down. Oh, we don't have to buy it. Oh, man. I get off of this.
Just to let you guys know in my title. What's my title? 13-day win streak. It used to say Bulenox. It's in Bulenox I'm talking about. And I didn't trade Bulenox today. So if tomorrow you see 13-day win streak and you say, hey, you said you were red. No, now I'm red in MFFU. I didn't trade Bulenox. Bulenox is on a 13-day win streak. Today I didn't touch Bulenox. Thankfully. And if my 5 days come up and they remove my accounts, I would say, well, with this price action, I would have lost the accounts anyways.
You have to take a trade within 5 days?
I don't know. I hate that gun.
Okay.
Yeah, I hate that gun to my head shit.
I thought you were talking about a different one. I don't know why.
If you're only trading one account, like if I only had one firm, it would be easy. I would trade it every day.
Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't really have to be like a trade, right? You can just flip it.
No. They only want 20% flipping days. So you get 10 flipping days, and then you're going to need 50 regular trading days for it to be, or for them to say that you only have 20% flipping days. So I don't do flipping days.
What do you consider a flipping day then? If
I don't know. They don't say what they consider a flipping day. That's up to them. That's up to their interpretation. So I don't. For me, I go in. I trade it like the way I'm trading MFFU now, actively.
I don't feel like a firm can tell you that you have to take a trade that's not your setup.
Well,
There's people out there that only take 1 or 2 trades a week.
I guess they can tell you anything.
How are they going to be on there?
Yeah, they can tell you anything they want, and they can deny your payments for any reason they want. And we sign off on that, which is disgusting.
You don't hear about Bulenox denying that many payments.
Well, you don't.
I know they have the rule. I know a lot of rules on Bulenox are loose. So,
I mean, I'm optimistic. My accounts I have 3 of them. And one's at 52,700 already. So that's good. It's been bouncing there because it has a PDLL of 190. So I did great getting it up to 52,700, but now down 190, up 190, down 190, up 190. It's been a battle at this level. I got down to 52,100. I've got it back up now to 52,700. But like I told my kid, I'm just taking small shots, singles and doubles, and the account growth is beautiful. It's like bottom left to top right in general. A couple of plateaus, but generally it's all bottom left to top right. Look at the nice trade that my bot took. Short at 787.
We did have a kind of an evening star on the 5-minute. Ugly one, but you can still see it. Still say we're going down. I want to short again, but I feel like kind of chasing. I don't know. We got large order. I don't want to short. Can we get a push back up to say 765.75?
Yeah, 65. Maybe 65. I'll take a short at 65.
Because that would be the bottom of the 5-minute candle. Say 765. I really like placing orders. I might change my mind by the time it gets there.
I entered already.
Did you?
I entered at 61, and I just added.
I mean, I still agree with it.
Do not go back up. Sell it.
Yeah, Bam, it'd be hard for me to take a buy. But, I mean, realistically, we do know that somewhere the market's going to want to rebound. Man, got quiet. Y'all were thinking too much. What are we looking at?
Well, I was in a short, but I got out of it. $30 loss. Big deal.
So should I get out of my short?
I don't know.
I'm in it now. You gotta tell me something. I'm hearing dings. I don't like that.
How are you?
I gotta get out. Oh, there's too much volume coming in. That was only like 2 points, so I think I caught it quickly. I didn't like the imbalance. I didn't like the delta. I didn't like the ding telling me there was a large order, while the delta and the imbalance were going against me.
Yeah, you got a large order dinger.
Yep.
You got a dinger?
Yep. Every time. Oh, you can't see it on this one. I switch over here. And every time we get a yellow box, there's a ding. I'm trying to show something. You're moving away from it. Come on. Would you stop? All right, here we go. Every time I get a yellow box, large order, there's a ding.
Yeah, that's cool.
As we can see right here, yellow box, ding, delta's down here at a 27% buy. That's not what we want to see when we're in a short position. It's the opposite of what we want to see when we're in a short position. So all that told me to get out at a 2-point loss instead of holding that position. And now it looks like it's going back the other way, so. Bama says technically bullish.
New strategy builder.
Bama, the point of control's above us, right? Am I still over here? No? Let's go back over here. So I'm showing point of control 23,820. A lot of the volume up here. We could say that the price wants to push back up, get into the value area. Did come up. I didn't even know that the value area low was there. That could have been a good sell opportunity. All the delta and stuff still bearish though.
Yeah. Everything that I'm looking at is bearish.
Chart.
I guess I'll trade Bulenox tomorrow. Yeah, everything I'm looking at is bearish. Except
I'm looking back up here at the top. And we've seen a bullish delta and then it turned bearish. That's when we got started going down. Push back up, but then going down. I don't know. I'm not good with a footprint chart or volume profile, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. But I'd maybe be looking for a bullish delta or something.
Nice.
Although on the volume chart, I do like these, the large order and then pushing above it. Then we had, come on, I'm trying to show stuff. Large order, breaking above it, large order from there. That's kind of bullish to me. So I can make a bullish case and a bearish. Have some large buys. But my favorite chart is the 2-minute chart.
$770. 13,677. I had something funny to say. I forgot what it was.
That was so funny.
It was that funny that I forgot what it was.
But if you had a laugh track, it'd still sound funny.
Do I have push over here? At least? No, I don't even have push. Didn't I bring it in?
I got Batman. How about that?
Sure.
Because I'm Batman.
Come on, I need this. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Let's try that. Don't go to 70. Come on, shoot up to 87. 87. You shut up, Sparky. That was one Sparky meow. That means you're going up. No. How do I not have push? Didn't I bring... Oh, I do have push.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us. Yes.
Like nothing good comes from Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. That's like hold my beer and gambling.
Daddy needs a new hoodie. How's that? Daddy needs something new. Daddy needs everything new.
No new high yesterday or today. I think we're still on inside candles.
I'll tell you what Daddy needs. Daddy needs a new cat. One that doesn't meow so much.
Candles on the daily.
Okay, so that was kind of okay.
Kind of okay. You okay? You got a little push.
Good morning, Skeletor.
Skeletor.
Mm-hmm.
You a bit behind on the chat, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm at 9:30. I'm catching up. Booyah, let's mark it.
Chat again.
Yeah, I said it to our chat. So stupid. I just don't get that top chat stuff. Yeah, somebody will have to explain it to me.
YouTube does a lot of weird stuff and they can't explain it to anybody. They're just like, because I said so.
Morning, Ruan.
we're like the little kids, right? We're like, well, Daddy, why? It's like, because I said so.
We didn't make a new high yesterday. We didn't. Let me take a look at that. Boom. Yeah, we didn't break the new high. So, or today, so I'm wrong. No, I'm in a flux. I'm red and I hate it. And I'm down 127 and every fiber of my body is saying turn that account green. But be careful.
It's just a color, man.
But be careful. That's also my brain is telling me. Be careful. Don't do anything stupid. Just keep swinging the bat, singles and doubles. Anybody want a cat? I have a cat to give away. Anyone want a cat?
Here's what my brain says. Being down $80 or whatever I'm down, that's doable.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Single trade to put that right back green.
Yep.
It's 11, 15, 17, whatever it is. I mean, plenty of time.
Yeah.
If you don't get it during the morning session, might be something in the afternoon. And if I end the day right now down $80 or whatever, I really don't care. It'd just be a red color on my calendar.
And it's true, I forgot I got to go at 11:30. I didn't mention.
And if I could take a couple points and maybe get that number back up under 50, I'd maybe even call it a break-even day. Because I don't agree with Mike. I don't think $30 is a red day. I think there's a grace period, right?
Come on, get up to 90. 90.50. I got my sell order at 90.50. Take me out.
When I used to go to work and they'd say, you're late, you're 5 minutes late.
Like, that's not late. Yeah. Who says your clock? Who says your watch is right?
Yeah.
I hate when people say you're late or anything when they talk like a minute or 2 minutes. Really? Do you have an atomic clock on your wrist?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know what time it really is.
And I would always set my clock back a few minutes. I'd be like, look, mine says, I'm only like a minute late.
Yeah.
Calm down. We don't go by your clock.
Yeah. Set your clock back a lot and say, look, no, I'm not late. I'm early. Put your clock back 10 minutes when you're 5 minutes late and you actually tell them you're 5 minutes early.
Look, I got here, didn't I? I can get right back in the same car that brought me here. Yeah, I think we kind of went into this day knowing it was going to be a boring sideways day. And it's range till Thursday? What's Thursday?
Yeah, you know what? I was just saying that, not the Thursday part. I haven't been responsible. I'm not looking at the calendar to see when all the CPI, PPI, and all that's coming out. I'm in the dark here. I should know what day it is. I actually thought maybe CPI was today. I woke up late and I said, "Oh shit, I'm gonna miss CPI day." Maybe.
No, we got PPI tomorrow.
PPI tomorrow. So then we had CPI today, and we missed it.
No, there's no CPI today.
No, how can you have PPI before CPI?
I don't know. CPI is the 11th.
Well, that's weird.
CPI is Thursday.
You sure? You have your contacts in?
Listen, I'm just telling you what the calendar's telling me. You want me to copy it and paste it in the chat and see if ChatGPT can speak it out loud?
No. I just want the markets to go up to 90.50. That's all I want.
Yes, we got a lot going on tomorrow. Pre-market. Oh, and so this is one you don't see very often. 9:30 tomorrow. Keep that number in mind.
9:30.
9:30.
CPI.
Supreme Court makes a decision on tariffs.
Really? What the hell are they getting involved in that? Since when does the Supreme Court confirm the tariffs?
I don't know. I'm just telling you what it says. The appeals court's going to be tomorrow on tariffs. I thought they already turned against it.
Delicious. Good coffee. I thought it was Thursday. Because of litigation. I thought it was Thursday.
Thought what was Thursday?
I don't know. I'm just reading Bama's comment.
Yeah, I agree with the comment, but...
You agree? I don't know what it means, but I agree with it.
So my CPI, PPI, Supreme Court.
I'm down $67. And I'm still trying to turn it green.
30 a.m. What? Oh, Wednesday, September 10th, 8:30. I can read. Yeah, Wednesday PPI, Thursday CPI. Also Wednesday at 9:30 is going to be a Supreme Court
up
cert on tariffs. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's going to do anything. I don't know if I've ever seen it before. Sorry, copy. I got it. Took me a second, but I got it.
So close. Close is only good in horseshoes, eh?
What happened? Am I supposed to be trading?
No. If my take profit would have been hit, I would have been green on the day. I'm down 67. Well, not anymore. And I had a $70 take profit over there. But this one's going to be probably a red trade and then end up costing me. Let's see if that's a poke and I go back or if there's continuation.
Large order on the bearish side. Let's take it. You want to take it? Let's take it.
You're going short?
You told me to.
Okay.
If I lose, it's your fault.
Okay, I'm out now. How much am I down? 139.
I just got in. Now you're out?
No, I was long.
You were long?
I was long.
Why did you tell me to go short?
I didn't tell you to go short. Play it back.
Guys.
Look, the good news is that my algo just went short. If you look at the top chart there. So, shit, I got out at the wrong time. We're not communicating well today. 11:25. I have 5 minutes left.
Hold that. All right, add 5 more points to my.
I'm not done about being down, but I'm a little irritated. I was right on both losses. Yeah. Well, I don't know how to answer that, or how to. I got a hold.
Oh, now it's going back down. Oh my goodness.
That's
what I get for not being patient.
I'm not sure if you got a hold. I mean, if your stop loss was hit, you got to get out.
Who, me? No, I didn't.
No, Bama was saying.
No, you have to honor your stop loss.
Mm.
What was I said before, Mike? I said you pay the stop loss to do a job.
Yeah.
You can't micromanage. You have to let the stop loss do the job you pay it to do.
Keep the losses small.
If you had any kind of a business and you paid somebody to do a job, and then you kept going behind them, telling them not to do the job you paid them to do, probably wouldn't work out too well. Out of 4 accounts, 3 green, 1 red. Get tired of trying to get the red to green. Break even. I agree with that. And you're probably doing better than most people today.
Mm.
But I will say, for anybody that's red on a day like this, kind of a tricky day, and as long as you're not deep in the red, I would still consider that a good day. Not every day has to be green.
You are right.
And you don't know. So you spend all this time fighting to get back green, then you come back at 2 o'clock and it's just giving away money. We never know.
It's true.
I never know what days they just want to give away money.
Do you know how many times I see that? I fight the market and then I look, fuck, if only I just would have waited for this moment over here.
Yeah, that's what gets me right there. It's like if I'd have just stopped. Like all I had to do was stop. Sometimes I tell my kids, just stop.
Too stubborn
and
sometimes.
Like if I would have just stopped and then like I'd have been in a good position to take all these great trades. That's what I hate. I hate being to the point that I refuse to take any more trades on the day. And then it's just great trade after great trade after great trade. So
let's see if we can get up to 86.
I'm down $100. I don't care. So what? I mean, I'd rather be up $100, but no business in the world comes without cost.
Let's see if we can get up to 93.
Yeah, Bama. I'm with you there. I've blown many accounts on days like today. I'd like to think that I've grown a little bit over the years to say, hey, it's just a little red.
Mm.
I don't have to blow my account.
Uh-huh. I understand now what I'm looking at. I was... Way to go. Good job, Skeletor.
That's a win to me, Skeletor. Not only that, today's Tuesday.
Come on,
Barely put a
push
dent into
now.
yesterday's
Do nice
profit.
push for us.
And we got all week.
Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Need a little help to the upside. I wanted to go to 93. Come on, you can do it in 1 second. The range is only 8 points on the 1 minute candles.
We ain't moving.
I know.
We ain't going nowhere, and there's wicks everywhere.
I know. I gotta go. It's 2:30, 12:30. I don't know what time it is. 11:30.
11th, what time you gotta go?
11:30.
All right, let me take a break real quick. I don't know. Unless we're just getting off here.
Well, I'm gonna let this trade play out. Looks like we're getting a little jiggity. Maybe I'll get my move to 93. Put in my take profit, sell limit, just in case it blasts there and then comes right back down.
So you absolutely have to leave at 11:30. It's 11:30, but you're in a trade.
Yep.
Yeah, that sounds legit.
It's a trader's lifestyle.
That's trader's life. That's true. All right, I'll be right back in a second then.
Okay. $93 doesn't look so far. It looks doable, man. Looks doable in a heartbeat. Come on, buyers. Believe it or not, on the 5-second chart, it looks like it wants to go. Deal me in. Dealer draws 17. Anyone? Let's call him out. No, we're back down to 77. I'll call him out over the 80s.
How's the trade going?
Lousy. I don't even know where my stop is.
I thought you were short.
No, you're not listening. Who called the flip coin trade today? Nobody. We didn't take it. I was busy doing stupid.
You're short and long at the same time?
No. I am. Yes. Well, one is the sim.
Oh.
The top is the algo. I'm fighting the algo. I still want my 93.
So you're
Come
long.
on, shoot. I'm long. I'm long in my
Okay.
MFFU.
Well, the ES is trying to push, so we'll hope that the ES can lead the market.
Well, let's
and we
get to
have a
93.
failed breakout to the short on the inside candle. So I would say if
93.
it pushes above the other side of the inside candle, that should be a long, right? So I would say if we can get 787, 75, we should push from there. I'd still call it counter trend, but possible.
It is. I'm off. Actually, no, I'm not. 72, 82, 83, 45, 86. 86. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, give me 86. If I can get to 86, I got a 73% chance we get to 93, which is what I'm targeting. But again, I'm stupidly in early. Just lost one of my poker chips.
It's just not a good day. I think it's best to just call it where it's at. And
Yeah.
I wouldn't call it a bad day. I mean, I just call it. I think everybody did pretty good, kind of mitigating the day. Oh, we're back below the inside candle. This could be a short.
Well, I'm down 250,000.
Damn. Imagine those days, man.
Hey, she was down 250 and it came back for her.
But did it? 'Cause I keep hearing people say that she lost it. So I don't know. To be honest with you, I haven't followed it that much because I don't believe in kicking somebody when they're down. I'm not much a fan of hers anyways, but I'm not going to jump on the bandwagon of kicking somebody when they're down. I think that's what the trading community doesn't need. I think 100 people I've seen make videos about it. I think that's not good.
Misery loves company, and internet's full of trolls, so.
And it's the same people saying that she doesn't really trade and it's all paper trading and it's all her uncle.
Yeah.
How are those same people now saying that she's down and she lost 250 grand? Like, aren't they kind of contradicting themselves?
Her uncle's calling all the trades, and she's just, like a sportscaster.
What the fuck? Add another paper cut. Mike,
No.
don't you have somewhere to be?
No.
Oh, goodness.
It's crazy how sometimes you're just so out of sync with the market. It's just
Price action sucks, man. It's just wicks everywhere.
oddly impressive.
Look at my volume chart. It's a Heikin-Ashi chart. It's just got wicks everywhere. Like, how is that even possible?
Today is definitely a day with a headache.
Now you're going back down? Come on, man.
No, man. Get down to 60. Boosh. Where's the explosive candle? Where's the momentum candle? We're due for one.
We are due for one. I was thinking the same thing. Is that it? I don't know anymore.
Sometimes I think you gotta hang around and keep trying for those candles.
Like, we're just kind of gambling at this point.
Yep.
Put all your money on black and go. Yeah, I think I just want to be done. I think Lost, got some back. Lost, got some back. Lost, got some back. I don't want to turn this into a $500 losing day. Save some capital for the afternoon.
Yeah, you trade the afternoons?
Sometimes. Normally doing other stuff, but if I can be at my computer doing stuff and I see nice trades. Like I said, sometimes in the afternoon, it'll just start trending. Just catch all the pullbacks. And if I can find if I'm sitting here doing something and I look over, I see the right conditions. It's hard not to, right? Right now, all I see is a bunch of wicks.
Give me another wick. Give me another wick to the downside. Stubborn. I think the key word today is stubborn. Yep. Swinging at pitches that you shouldn't be swinging at. One. Two. Give me one more. Let's go. Let's go, you fucking cocksucker. We're keeping it clean. We're keeping it. That's not a swear word. It's in the Bible.
What?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Who was sucking in the Bible?
Where is my momentum candle to the downside? Now go. 56, 5, 10.
Yeah, I think it's going now. You short?
I am short at 70. Let's go down to 54. That's the 54 I was looking for. That's going to be it. It's always like that.
What happened?
I was targeting 54. It hit 54. It flashed. I should have had a buy limit. And anyways, there I am. Okay, minus 328 for the day. Go to hell. That's all I can say. I'm out of here.
Oh, you just got a good win.
Yeah, I was down 500. So my day was basically down 200, but break even down 300, down 100, down 300, down 67, down 500, and now I'm ending with down 328. But on the top chart, the bot, I like the way the bot is calling the moves, doing good. What did the bot do in the end? The bot is up $150. Nothing spectacular. We'll close it. Okay, c'est la vie. I gotta go. I'm late. Looks like I got out right at the right time. 54, hey?
Yep.
At least for that. Quick scalp, positions, flatten everything, orders, cancel all orders, accounts.
No red day for me so far. Probably won't trade no more. It'll probably just be a red day. I'm fine with that.
Yeah, it is what it is. C'est la vie. There's red days. Okay, I gotta make a hasty retreat. Thanks for showing up, guys. Appreciate it. And we'll see you tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier. Omnius, take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Also,
see you tomorrow.
Yep. Take care, guys. Bye.
Guys, appreciate everybody hanging out.